Hey guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.
Magandang araw mga pre, maayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. February 9, 2019, nakaharap ni Mexican defending WBC World Super Bantamweight Champion na si Vargas ang tinaguriang kilabot na boxer ng Venezuela. Ito ay si WBC Silver Super Bantamweight Champion Franklin Manzanilla. 2018, naging WBC Silver Bantamweight Champion itong si Manzanilla nang basagin niya ang ilong ni Julio Ceja. Matibay at may malakas ding suntok. Ebidensya dito ang impresibo niyang kartada na 18 wins, 17 dito tinalo niya via knockout, 4 lang ang talo. Habang si Vargas naman ay may malinis na kartada din na 33 wins, 0 loss, 22 via knockout. Bago ang kanilang banggaan ay makikitang may pagka-trash talker din itong si Manzanilla. Dudurugin daw niya si Vargas at kunin ang titulo. Makikita din na weigh-in pa lang nila ay gusto na agad upakan ni Manzanilla itong defending champion. Habang si Vargas naman ay pa-relax-relax lang, di man lang kumurap sa pag-aangas nitong si Manzanilla.
Los golpes aquí están perfectamente bien. Dense la mano y buena suerte.
Sa gabi ng laban ay makikitang lamang talaga sa tangkad at sa haba ng galamay itong si Vargas. Pero itong knockout artist na challenger ay matapang din, mas agresibo, sugod lang ng sugod.
Vargas trying to set up the right hand and the style that Vargas another, but he's doing something different. Oh, good right hand, but right, dirty, big right hand. Being the taller, longer fight combination.
Sa second round, dito pinatunayan naman ni Manzanilla ang pagiging knockout artist niya. Isang solidong left hook ang nasalo ni Vargas na nagpabagsak sa kanya.
Seems to have forgotten in the last. There you go. Vargas! Manzanilla with a fist that he has been down, and now Manzanilla is going to try and go in for the kill. Fight, and it's only the second round. Manzanilla on the work those hooks inside. Manzanilla. The right hand. Manzanilla. Nice combination. Get Vargas up against the ropes.
Naka-recover naman agad si Vargas. Mas lalo lang itong tumibay at lumakas. Accurate ang mga patama kontra kay Manzanilla. Dahan-dahang dinurog itong kalaban na Venezuelan kahit parang turo ito kung lumaban.
Dropping Vargas in the second round. Manzanilla. International tournaments, but he's the one that continues to pursue his professional career. Vargas will land that right on the body. To give Manzanilla any opportunity. Oh, good right hand by Vargas. Left hand. The hook landed by. He's hurt. He's trying to capitalize on the first punch that he punched from Vargas that has earned the respect. Oh, and another body shot. Go Jesse Vargas. Beto Duran with Manzanilla's Vargas. Vargas able to separate. Vargas shoves man off guard. Goes back at him up top. Good hook by Vargas. Vargas sends him a strong. Vargas trying to work the combination. Vargas lands a right hand. Manzanilla goes in with a strong vicious left hook in the second round that dropped. Did put some now lines tonight. Manzanilla trying to...
Round 7, dito na naputukan si Vargas dahil sa pagiging agresibo nitong si Manzanilla. Sobrang nanggigil dahil di makatama ng solido sa tindi ng depensa ng Meksikano.
And down goes Vargas, but just a slip. Thing happened in his last fight, he was cut. Maintained his distance, he would have maintained to be cut, and I'm going to stay away from it. Because that's how I make my money with his face, he says. The uppercut of Vargas. Vargas lands. He keeps coming forward. Ooh, another strong left hook. That's probably why not to win that fight against Manzanilla. but a cut.
You like this kid right now? What's that? How do you like him, Manzanilla? Vargas, you just met this guy.
Advantage today. They asked me to help him out.
That provides some discomfort and uncertainty when Manzanilla going into a huge title fight with second round. As Vargas has been able to find some control in this fight after falling to the...
Because Marco's got his time. Right now he's trying to make a comeback. So he has a good corner on his side.
Manzanilla hooks jump to him afterwards.
Making it a habit in the fight. And as you saw, he just came in with his head.
Headbutt again, yeah. Dumped it now for Manzanilla, which not only means it's negated the knockdown he had in the second, but given another point away, and he's in danger of being disqualified.
Ray Vargas now has 3 cuts on his face, unfortunately. 3 lacerations, one on the... I mean, it depends whether the corner is able to control.
Sa mga sumunod pang mga rounds, naging 3 na ang putok sa mukha ni Vargas dahil pa din sa headbutt. Frustrated na kasi itong si Manzanilla dahil sa di makapasok sa depensa ng champion. Magaling gumamit si Vargas ng distansya, di basta-basta makapasok ang kalaban. 5'11 and 1/2 kasi si Vargas, habang 5'5 and 1/2 lang si Manzanilla.
Just to find a way to win.
Make it murky. And that's what Manzanilla has been able to do at times in this fight. Vargas. Manzanilla again flailing at the body. As senior. Vargas now an aggressive cut. How frustrated is Ray Vargas? Now calling for Manzanilla to come to him his 10th round.
Going to be able to be stitched up by the plastic surgeon, I guess.
Taking a look at the punches through, who's been the victim of a couple of accidental headbutts. Work inside here, now diving again at Vargas. Trying to stick that right hand. He gave the right analogy, Jesse.
The point, he doesn't want to take another chance of them deducting another.
Vargas.
Good body shot by Vargas to keep his opponent away from him, away from attacking him. Then right away, just turn forward by any means necessary. Oh, good right hand.
Nice combination there from Vargas.
You're able to control him, control the action a little more.
Snuck a left hook in there, and then a jab to finish it in the fight with Japan's Tomoki Kameda, who's here in attendance. Victory here against Franklin Manzanilla.
Oh, good right hand by Ray Vargas. Throw punches. Don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. Keep coming forward. This is your only chance.
Beautifully from being knocked down in the second. Nice combination with the right hand. Finishing it off, and now Manzanilla comes back. Vargas. Right hand to the body from Ray Vargas. Vargas. Well, right hand. It landed cleanly.
Oh, he just comes back.
Manzanilla.
Oh,
Manzanilla. Landed that right on Vargas, right on the championship belt. The W.
Coming in. He knows that he needs to knock out a win.
Natapos ang laban sa sukdulang 12 rounds. Di umubra ang pagiging malakas at matapang lang ni Manzanilla sa galing ng depensa ni Vargas. Dinurog lang ni Vargas ang tinaguriang kilabot ng Venezuela. Panalo siya via lopsided unanimous decision.
WBC Super Bantamweight